Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, June 17th. What's going on the docket today when it comes to information or news? Getting this from forexfactory.com. 8:30, we have U.S. Empire State Manufacturing Index. So this is interesting because it's the New York. What's happening in New York is high labor costs. So it's always sort of the first one to feel the brunt of reductions. But if it's doing well, then you know the rest of the economy is probably doing well as this is high wage, very high cost manufacturing area. That being said, other than that, nothing. We have FOMC member Cook speaking at 9 p.m. after the market's closed, so nobody cares, is what it is. Tuesday, we've got retail sales. Looking ahead to Wednesday. Wednesday, the market's closed for Juneteenth. So the market is closed on Wednesday. I didn't even realize this was a holiday till somebody said something about it. So we get a free extra holiday this year. I guess all years in the future is what it is. So midweek holiday in the middle of summer. I love it. I'll be golfing. Thursday, anything going on good on Thursday? We have unemployment claims, building permits, Philly Fed. Friday, we have all the flash manufacturing, which is all over Europe, as well as the U.S. has flash manufacturing. So we do have some things on Thursday and Friday. Looking forward to the charts, we had a big fat doji jet day on Friday, which means we opened and closed at roughly the same price. That's indecision, and we're sort of in the same ballpark area. Notice we have changed over to the September contract. The June contract expires this coming Friday, so this is rollover week, and most people will roll over to the September contract today, and will completely migrate over by Friday. So there you go. Had to redraw a couple of trend lines. We're in an ascending triangle. We still have this volume gap from the Fed day last week. I do think this will be filled eventually. Where could we go? We're in uncharted territories up here, so it's totally a guesstimate. Maybe 55.50. Coming back down on the downside, I think we will fill this area eventually. 54.55 area. There you go. What else we got on tap? Well, if we look at the inventory, Friday, again, we had basically a flat day, and inventory was up by about 4,500 contracts. So it's within the margin of error. Nothing to talk about. Looking at the overnight action, we have about 16 points. That's lower than normal. Average is about 20 to 22. So volatility is not particularly high, maybe slightly below average. And I would expect that since it's a fairly low news day. So really not a lot to talk about. Where do we have support and resistance? So obviously resistance, we're in no man's land. Who knows what's going on up there? I would always go with the whole numbers. So 55.20, 55.50, 55.80 are going to be big numbers. On the support side, we do have some information on the support side up here. 54.57, 54.41, 54.33, 54.14. As support levels for today. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 66.7. So a positive bias by a good margin from the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.